Yo, what's up, guys? I have the same avatar. My former avatar of YouTube. On YouTube was that picture. And a kind of forgotten character from SMG4. I might come back. Bon travail! Later. Oh, let's watch the wave that is falling down. Call out all your scared that I'm around. Shape your field the same that is falling down. Go, let's watch the wave that is falling down. Go, let's watch the wave that is falling down. Go, I'm on a minute and run around. Shape your build the same that is falling. Oh, there's the crazy dog. The crazy dog. 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 So hilarious. Okay. Out of my head, I'm on in my mind. It's all in now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's out of my head, on my heart, and my mind is out of now. Out of my mind now. Out of my head, on my heart, and my mind. Yeah, ooh, 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 ooh. Goes out of my head and my heart, my mind is I can hear anything now. All I need now. Shit. Wait, what are you doing? Okay. Oh, gotcha. Stop moving. Another ice kid. Oh my god. Is that a river? Oh shit. Hey, they got water everywhere. A lot of water. That must be sick. Oh. And this is how we get exposed. Hurry. You got exposed for being too slow. Come on. Hey. Oh jeez. Hold on. Just stop doing that, okay? It's not healthy. It's not healthy. You're very bad at listening, you know that? Okay. Anyway. Follow me. Follow me, alright? Okay. Alright. That's good. That's good. This is how you don't get wet. By these waters. By these nuts waters. Oh, let's see if I can do that without getting caught. No. Or without being watered. Well, hold on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 flags. What is that for? I don't understand. What is that for? So we have to do some research about what is that for, because I don't know anything about it. So please comment down below, because I don't know anything about it. Whew, don't go there. Oh my gosh. That'd be a lot of water. Gotta be careful at holding my screen, because there would be water everywhere, and then there's possibly a thing that I'm gonna lose my phone for a while. So I'll be careful. What am I holding? Because if I hold badly, you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna go splash like zzz, and after Wimble, I could lose my phone. It's easy like that, and you don't want that, huh? Like this one. Don't water in there. Oh fuck. Shit. Oh. Alright. Oh my gosh. No, don't go there. There's water everywhere. No, it has to get no water on it. Alright, let's do our second way to go. Okay. Oh my gosh. If there's no kids, that's okay. But if there's kids, don't go there. It's to prevent pervert and pedophile to go there. And this is how you get a warning or even a ticket or an arrest, if in the state, of course. France execution, most likely. Fuck, there's a lot of garbage. Okay. My shot sense is very good. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 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 A squirrel. There's a squirrel. Hold on. Gonna show you the squirrel. There you go. Nice. Let's cut them off. Ready? He's so scared. Come on. Let's hunt that squirrel. Oh shit. Oh. We got it very good, eh, Norris? Nice, partner. Huh? She agrees, she agrees. She smiles. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh. Follow my rhythm, jeez. Okay. Okay. Sorry, forgot the whoop. Jump rope. Whatever. Just don't fall into a water, that's gonna be bad. Because I have to clean a lot. Because I remember that time I accidentally mud my dog and he has mud everywhere and I have to clean it every time in a shower and I have to help. That was a nightmare. Actually, what is that? It's pollution. You have supposed to go there. It's not that hard. You just have to throw it in there. Eh? Classic pollution. There's a lot of dumbass doesn't throw their trash. Ugh. Oh my gosh! What kind of river is that? I saw a river. That's a mud river. Not a river, oh, you can swim at it. You're gonna get wet. I don't think your family is gonna be happy after you swim in it. I don't think so. Don't throw it in there. You're gonna lose your phone as well. Not just the water, but also the sewer. Even the sewer. Gonna lose your phone if you throw it in there. And after that, it's mostly too late. Unless if you're a good swimmer and go in there. You have to hate your life so much to go in that sewer. It's not a big of a deal. It's mostly too late for your phone. Unless if you want to risk your life, you can go to the sewer. But I'm not gonna judge you because it, in the movie It, I remember the heroes in going to the sewer. That was gross, but they're very brave at it. I swear to God. I remember they go into the sewer. Ooh, that must be full of acid. That's gonna burn your skin off. And most of the water. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of acid. Those acid might burn you in the sewer. Oh, those waters not good for your skin. It mostly burn a lot. Just don't do it unless if you want to get a risk of sewer rat poison or acid that might burn you. So I'm warned you. Don't do it. Unless if you really want those risks that I ask you, then not my problem. You mostly get burned feet, which that might be either temporary or permanent. Okay. Eddie was scared on a hit. And her mom told you that they don't want to get in a sewer, and after the mom gets mad. And they don't want them to approach them again. And this is how you don't have to force your friend to go there. Don't force your friend, it's not good. Well, you have to be careful with the acid. Don't be confused with water and pee. There's pee everywhere. Bam, you're mostly finished. I think you're dead if you stand too long on it. Or drown in there even. So don't like click 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 click. You don't want to lick the sewer water. Oh, niet. No way. No. There's no way. Like, Mamma Mia. No, don't do it, because that's not gonna happen. I don't think so. And if you want to play the best risk, I won't judge you because I'm not going really in the sewer. Unless if you're a It fan, then do what you want. I won't judge you. You can do the same. But I'm not going in. Okay? No way. I'm not gonna get a burning skin or whatever the endanger one of my skin. No fucking way. Okay? Bye. Okay, so where were we? Okay. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. That's so shocked, yeah, I look into the dark. What? I don't know. I'm terrible at remembering Sonya in my heart. I mostly sing with my lyrics, not with hearts. I suck at singing. Unless if I got lyrics, that'd be an infinite level. Rest of it, I suck without the lyrics. Okay. What's next? I got the power. Oh, I got the power to go with my heart. Yeah, go with my heart. It go with my heart. It go. I got the power. Oh, oh. Wanna be oh snap! You'll cheat the police. I got power. Oh, that's a lot of river. Again. How many river are they? If you want to drink the sewer water, I warned you, don't do it. They must really like the rain to sing this song. Mostly birds don't want to get wet, but they got rare occasions. Did I hear owl at this hour? I swear, I heard an owl. A little owl. No way. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Never mind that. Screw this. I give up. Because... Oh... I give up. I give up. Gonna do this later. Bro, those crows must be crazy. They must not be normal. Sorry. Hey. Yeah, finish. Let's remove my Xbox 996 shoes. Oh, there's the shoes. Oh, that must be Crocs. Wait. Is this video playing?